Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Tide laundry soap is probably one of the most recognizable names in the world of laundry detergents, and for good reason. Tide has been a trusted brand for generations, and its reputation for cleaning power is well deserved. But is it the right choice for you? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Tide, exploring its strengths, weaknesses, and whether it lives up to the hype. Number 5. Tide Pod Spring Meadow Laundry Detergent. Introducing Tide Pods, the 3-in-1 laundry packs. It offers a surprisingly powerful clean in just one step. This product is super concentrated with detergent, odor fighters, and stain removers. These packs are designed to tackle tough stains and odors. They combine super concentrated detergent, extra odor fighters, and extra stain removers in one convenient pod. It makes your laundry day easier. Tide is America's #1 detergent brand, based on sales. You can trust this product to deliver exceptional cleaning results. It is a reliable choice for your laundry needs. These pods dissolve completely in any water condition. Whether you have hard or soft water, it will work effectively. It ensures no residue is left behind. Tide Pods are designed to work in all washing machines. Front load or top load, it delivers outstanding results. It simplifies your laundry routine. What we like? This product offers a 3-in-1 cleaning experience, combining detergent, odor fighters, and stain removers. It dissolves completely in any water condition, making it incredibly versatile. If you are looking for a simple, all-in-one solution for your laundry needs, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Tide is the only detergent I use. It cleans my clothes and gets rid of stains. Tide has always been a great product. It cleans well and smells good. I have been using Tide for years and it is the best laundry detergent I have ever used. Number 4. Tide Pods Ultra Oxy Laundry Detergent Packs. This is the latest innovation from Tide. These convenient pods are designed to make your laundry routine easier and more effective. Each pod combines detergent, stain remover, color protector, and built-in pre-treaters. It's everything you need for clean clothes in one small package. With the power of Oxy, these pods are specially formulated to fight tough, set-in stains. It's a trusted stain remover that you can rely on. These pods dissolve in both hot and cold water. They are also safe for use in both heat and standard washing machines, making them versatile for any home. Not only does it clean, but it also freshens your clothes, leaving them smelling great. It helps tackle tough set-in odors, ensuring your laundry is truly clean. Tide is the most trusted laundry brand by American shoppers. Choose Tide Pods for a clean you can trust. Each package contains 61 pods, providing you with plenty of cleaning power. Make laundry day easier with Tide Pods Ultra Oxy. What we like? This product utilizes 4-in-1 technology, including detergent, stain remover, color protector, and built-in pre-treaters. It is specially formulated to tackle tough set-in stains and odors. If you have a household with kids or deal with stubborn stains frequently, this is the ideal detergent for you. What people say. With one simple toss-in pod, I get detergent, stain remover, color protector, and built-in pre-treaters, really a full all-in-one solution. The pods dissolve in both hot and cold water and handle set-in stains, grass marks, and everyday messes with ease. Clothes always come out clean, fresh, and smelling great. No mess, no measuring, and they dissolve perfectly every time. Number 3. Tide Ultra Oxy Boost Liquid Laundry Detergent. Tired of stubborn stains? This detergent is designed with built-in pre-treaters to tackle tough messes. It helps lift away stains, leaving your clothes looking fresh and clean. This is a concentrated formula, meaning more cleaning power in every drop. It has more cleaning agents and less water than before. You'll get great results with less product. Does your activewear still smell after washing? This detergent helps eliminate odors trapped in your clothes. It leaves your clothes smelling fresh and clean. From America's trusted detergent brand, you can rely on this product. It's a brand that families have trusted for generations. You can be confident in its cleaning power. This detergent is compatible with both top-load and front-load high-efficiency machines. It works effectively in all types of washing machines. You can use it with confidence. What we like. This product features an advanced stain removal formula with built-in pre-treaters. It has a concentrated formula, providing more cleaning agents per drop. If you like to have active wear or clothes with strong odors, you should consider this detergent. What people say. Tide is the only detergent I use. It cleans my clothes and gets rid of stains. I have been using Tide for years and it is the best laundry detergent I have ever used. Tide is a great product and I would recommend it to anyone. Number 2. Tide Ultra Oxy Laundry Detergent, 74 loads. Introducing the Tide Ultra Oxy. It's from America's most trusted laundry detergent brand. This product is designed to give you the best clean possible. This detergent has built-in pre-treaters. They work hard to remove even the toughest stains. You can trust it to get your clothes clean. With a more concentrated formula, you get more cleaning power in every drop. This means it uses less water while still delivering a powerful clean. Using the cap, measure the detergent based on your load size. Add your clothes, pour the detergent into the dispenser, and start your washer. It's that simple. This detergent helps tackle tough, set-in odors. It will leave your clothes smelling fresh and clean. Try it today and experience the difference. What we like. This product includes built-in pre-treaters to remove even the toughest stains. With a more concentrated formula, you get more cleaning agents and less water in every drop. If you are looking for a powerful and efficient cleaning experience, you should consider this. What people say. Tide is the only detergent I use. It cleans my clothes better than any other detergent I have tried. Tide works great on stains. I have been using Tide for years and it has never disappointed me. Number 1. Tide Simply Berry Blossom, 89 loads. Introducing Tide Simply Berry Blossom. This detergent is tough on stains and easy on your wallet. It has the fresh scent of red berries. This will leave your clothes smelling great. It has 2x the power of baking soda detergent. It removes dirt and odors effectively. This detergent can be used in all HE and standard washing machines. It is convenient and easy to use. Get your clothes clean and fresh with this detergent. It offers great cleaning power at a low price. What we like. This product is tough on stains but easy on your wallet. It is designed to be used in all HE and standard washing machines. If you are looking for an affordable yet effective laundry detergent, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. With its refreshing fragrance and powerful cleaning performance, it's a laundry detergent that never disappoints. Whether I'm tackling tough stains or everyday dirt and grime, this detergent gets the job done effectively. I appreciate the convenience of the packaging, which is designed to accommodate up to 89 loads of laundry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.